I have learned so much from you, Nandita ma'am. Is there anything more that a layman user of the network needs to be aware of?
Definitely, Rajesh. There are more. The threat to the internet is endless. Let's first talk about viruses.
Viruses in the network. Can you please explain, ma'am?
Well, just like when we suffer from an illness due to viral infection, similarly, programs were created by various intruders into the network, which, when enters your system, may harm or disrupt the normal functioning. A computer virus is a malware which is designed to invade someone's personal system to disrupt the functioning. However, not all malware created are termed as viruses.
Why is it called a virus, Nandita ma'am?
Actually, the programs of this nature created by certain individuals was termed as viruses by an university research student, perhaps because computer virus spreads in the similar manner as a biological virus. However, there are variations to the opinion of how programs are called viruses. Many experts are of the opinion that virus stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. To truly know what a programmed virus is, you will need to know the very infrastructure of such programs.
Can you tell me how these viruses are created, Nandita ma'am?
Actually, these viruses are created and then mostly sent as an attachment to a program and propagates to someone's mail or system. Soon after these viruses reproduces itself by copying itself and inserting into the program or in the boot sector. All the viruses are made to target an executable file that you often use. This implies that the virus may be present in your system, but it actually cannot infect unless you run or open the executable file or the malicious program. A virus is not a self-contained or independent identity. In nature, it is like a parasite that depends upon attaching itself to other files. So, it is very important for us to be careful when someone sends a file or program to us, or even if you are forwarding it further to someone else. This is because it might be infected with a virus. It is a better idea not to click on an email which has an unknown attachment. It is more so when it has come from some unknown person and has an .exe extension. Means it is executable. Not only the virus can travel to you, sometimes you infect your system when you go to an infected website unknowingly or view advertisements on it.
So, it is better for us to not open a file from any unknown party.
Yes, Rajesh. Before clicking on any files from an unknown agency, better reconfirm yourself. These files may contain viruses which may harm your system.